Welcome to NeoEnglish. Today we have an interesting topic, something about technology, security, and how artificial intelligence can help protect your passwords.
That's right. Google Chrome may soon use AI to detect leaked passwords and even help create new, stronger ones. This means Chrome will not only warn you about weak or leaked passwords, it will actually do something about it.
That is a big improvement. Right now, Chrome only tells you if your password has been leaked. But in the future, it may suggest a new password right away.
And that's really useful. Let's first explain what a leaked password is. A password leaks when hackers steal it and share it online. So if your password is leaked, someone else might use it to access your account.
That sounds scary. Imagine you have a key to your house, and someone makes a copy of it without you knowing. That's similar to a leaked password.
Exactly. Another example. If you use the same password for many websites, and one of them gets hacked, your password could be leaked everywhere. That's why strong passwords are so important.
Speaking of strong passwords, Google Chrome will soon not just warn you. It will also suggest a better one. But what makes a password strong?
A strong password is long, has numbers, symbols, and both uppercase and lowercase letters. For example, P at SSW0RD123 is stronger than just password 123.
Yes. And never use something easy to guess, like your name or birthday. Hackers can figure those out.
That's where AI comes in. AI, or artificial intelligence, is technology that helps computers solve problems like a human. In this case, AI in Chrome can detect weak passwords and quickly improve them.
AI is helping us in many ways. For example, AI-powered chatbots can answer your questions online, and AI in smartphones helps recognize faces for unlocking your phone.
Right. In this case, Chrome's AI will guide you through changing passwords instead of just giving a warning. It's like having a smart assistant protecting your accounts.
And this is really important today because hackers are always looking for weak passwords to steal accounts.
That's why Google is making these improvements. They want to make security easy, so everyone can stay safe online.
Now, let's review some key words and phrases.
First, leaked password. This means a password that hackers have stolen and shared.
Next, strong password, a password that is difficult to guess, using numbers, symbols, and different letters.
Another phrase is artificial intelligence or AI, the technology that allows computers to think and learn like humans.
And the last phrase, guide you through. This means helping step by step, like Chrome will guide users to change their passwords.
That's all for today. Stay safe online and use strong passwords.
And keep learning English every day. Have a wonderful day.